Hey there, welcome back. I'm Mark and I'll be drawing a mummy today. So, to begin, let's grab a sheet of paper and a pencil and start outlining our mummy figure. So I'm going to just draw a round shape at the top over here. That's going to be where the head's going to go. Now I'm just going to kind of rough in my shapes. So I'm going to draw a little box form like this for the chest, and then we're going to come down into a V shape like that for where the lower legs are going to be. Now this leg on this side is going to kind of come out to the left like that, and then we'll have a break here, and then the foot's going to kind of come and be wrapped and kind of pointing up in this direction. Then we're going to have this leg kind of straight down like this. We'll draw another box like that, and then over here we'll draw like this foot that's going to kind of come over to the right a bit. Okay, then for the arms, I'm going to have one arm coming out this way, so I'll draw a rectangle out to the right, and then the hand is going to be over here, so like one finger, the thumb will be there. You'll have like 1, 2, and then a third finger in that direction, and then the other arm will be angled upward a little bit. So we'll draw a rectangle to the top left of our page, and then we'll extend this forward for like one finger, then we'll have a second finger, and then we'll do a third finger down in this direction. And we can kind of put this thumb shape right about here, pointing up. And then now that we have our body in position on our page, we can go ahead and start drawing some of the mummy forms. So these bandages are going to kind of come and go across his whole body. So inside of the head area, I'm going to draw this rectangle, but it's going to kind of have corners that are rounded. Okay, something like this. And then in here, I'll draw 2 little eyes like that. Then what I can do is start drawing some of these bandages. So I'm going to have one bandage kind of coming like this over at the top of his head. Then I'll have another one just below the eyes, kind of cutting over like this. All right, we'll just kind of complete those shapes like this. Then we'll have some lines that come like this, and then over here we'll have his kind of like his neck pulling out like that. And then down here we can kind of make this a round shape, and then we'll do one bandage around his chest area. So I'll draw this line like this, we'll come down, and then we'll come over like that, and this will kind of come across just like that. Then at the top here we'll just wrap his head like that. Okay, now we have one bandage here, then we can draw another one. We'll draw a little line here that comes down, and then we'll do one bandage that kind of comes across down to the lower part like that. And then we can draw a couple lines like this. Then we'll have another line like that. And then we can start drawing this triangular shape over here. And then we'll have a piece that comes on top of his leg. So I'll just start drawing more and more of these bigger shapes like that. And some of these can be inside like that, and some of them can be outside extended over like this. Then we can draw one over here like that. We'll do one in the middle there. Then we can do another one like this. This one's kind of getting wide and then narrow over there. We'll do a shape that's big. And then we'll have one that comes out and hooks like that. All right, then we can put the leg in place. So I'll draw one shape that comes down like this. And his foot will be wrapped as well. So we'll just kind of come up and just do these almost like stripes, but we'll just kind of wrap his foot and just come down, and then his toe will be wrapped. Then on this side we can kind of have these shapes that wrap in like that, and that kind of come across and over. There'll be another one here, and a last one right there. Now we'll go over to his arms and we'll start doing the same thing. So I'll just draw a line like that, and then a little bit wider for this one, and then this one will be kind of opposite direction. Then I'll draw a line right about here, and this will come down like this, and then over here we'll have a split like that. And then for the thumb, we'll just kind of wrap some shapes like this. Then we'll have a piece that goes like that. Then we'll have like a rectangle shape here. We can kind of round this for his finger. And we can wrap this finger with a couple round shapes like that. And then we'll go over to the other arm. So we can come down like that. Have one wrapped like this. And then for the thumb, we'll come up, over, and then down like that. Can have the thumb poking upwards. Then we'll have one rectangle shape over here for the finger. We'll do a smaller one. Then we'll come down at an angle like this and almost have like this C shape over there. And then we can keep extending the fingers. I'll come in with a shape like that, and then a smaller one there. Now some of his bandages are kind of unraveling, so let's draw like these unraveling shapes. So bandages kind of like coming untied. So we'll put one over there, we'll do one over here where his leg is. And we'll have another one here where his arm is. Just like that. All right, the next thing I'll do is I'll grab a black Sharpie or an ink pen and I'll outline my drawing. Now grab your eraser and erase your pencil lines. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is color in my mummy. But if yours didn't turn out quite like mine did, it's okay. Go down in the description, click the link, download the copy of this coloring page, and you can have some fun coloring along with me. Well, I hope you enjoyed drawing this mummy with me. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I do videos every weekday and you don't want to miss any one. Until the next one, I'll see you then. Have a good one.